that is the brush. Okay, I got myself a waterproof liquid eyeliner. So that was a gift. It just came inside the bag. And if you sign up for a subscription, you get a free makeup brush. I think it's worth £30 if I'm correct, or £28, something like that. So this is the foundation. Actually, it's cute. I like the way it just like flip open, but I think there's a sellotape on here. Let's remove it. Yeah, so like flip open. So in terms of the color, I'm not sure. I literally just guessed because I got the wrong color the last time, so I had to return it. Hopefully, fingers crossed, this one suits me, but by the look of it, it looks like it might be a little bit lighter. So let's see. Oh, this is actually cute. It's nice. So I'm just gonna shake it. Please be the right color. I've been to church, so no wonder I'm wearing a blazer. Go to church, I'm a Christian. We'll try this side. I got the full coverage because I've got oily skin, so looks a little bit too, oh my god, it is too light. I was told it does kind of like, no, it is light. Jesus Christ, but I'm gonna have to return it again. Because I like foundation that actually look natural. No, I was hoping that it kind of like stick, because somebody told me sometimes it does settle into the skin, but no, this is too light. I don't know. I mean, the coverage is nice, but I don't know if I should just order the natural one or if I should just order a full coverage like this one. I ordered the full coverage because I like my makeup to be like matte when it's complete because I've got oily skin. So yeah, that's the foundation. So this color is 215. Woke up like this. So okay, so this is the side where there's no foundation, and this is the side with the foundation. I know it has like sunk in with my skin, but it's still a little bit light. Maybe I just need to order maybe 2 colors down, maybe 2 shade down, hopefully, fingers crossed, because I'm sure they're gonna think this girl, she must be dumb, doesn't know her color. Yeah, I mean the coverage is quite good because can you see, like I've got quite a lot of like dark spots, and then look at this side. It is nice in a way, isn't it? Yeah, but I like the way the package is. The brush is really soft. And no, this is not a sponsor video. This is just me trying on my on foundation because I normally use Lancome. I love Lancome. It depends anyway on the time of the year. Sometimes I use Fenty in winter, and then I like to use Lancome in summer. So I thought I should try this one for winter because the coverage I heard is supposed to be good. But yeah, so this is, I don't know, I mean, I like it, but just need to get the right shade. Yeah, but thank you.